Learn to handle pain in life. Most of us feel down very quickly because we expect our lives to be eternally welcoming, positive, and free of pain. But to speak the truth, no one gets that. Only if we can learn to handle pain can we begin to see the beauty of life. It is as satisfying a feeling as scratching an itch. When most people get angry, they lash out. When do they feel jealous? When do they feel envy? It's when they feel pain inside themselves and they are unable to handle it. That is when such pain comes out in the form of angry words and so on. Pain is a natural part of life. Learn to accept it, learn to take care of it as best as you can. Decrease the complaining, decrease the self centeredness around it. Everybody has pain. The more self centered you are, the greater the pain you feel. If you observe happy people around you, you'll see they are generally quite altruistic, eager to help others, and live with compassion. Usually, happy people are also good empathetic listeners. Less self centered people are mostly content with their lives. They complain less. Most days will be painful days. Accept that. There are four kinds of pain in our lives: painful thoughts, painful emotions, painful actions, and painful words. Either our thoughts are hurting us, somebody's indifference towards us, or the kind of emotion they are exhibiting is hurting us. Maybe their words and actions are causing us grief. It can even be all four. Because so often we take our thoughts so seriously, they take over our mind. They become our lives. It does not have to be this way. If you keep that in mind, a thought will come and a thought will go, but you don't have to take them seriously. They are not your life. They don't have meaning per se. Make a room as big as a lake in your mind. Those floating thought bubbles here and there won't matter as much then. There was a story in the life of Buddha. A man once said to Buddha, I don't know how to handle pain. I don't want to be angry, but I end up getting very angry. Little things bother me, and I can handle the big stuff, but little things set me off. Buddha said, take a cup of water, put a spoon of salt in it, sip it, and tell me how it tastes. The man took a sip and contorted his face immediately. It's repulsive. I feel like throwing up, he said. Buddha took him to a lake nearby, asked him to put a spoon of salt in the lake and then taste the lake water. How do you feel? Buddha asked him after he drank from the lake. The water is sweet, he said. It's the same amount of salt, Buddha replied, but it's now gone into a bigger vessel. So, become big. Pain in our lives, like a spoon of salt, is more or less constant. Are you going to become a bigger vessel so you are able to contain more, or are you going to shrink to a degree where everything seems repulsive and obnoxious? It's in your hands.